Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on Web Flix Telegram mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do want to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Card built on the BSC chain. The contact address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Web Flix aims to be Telegram streaming and funding powerhouse, like it seeks to become Telegram Netflix. The link to the Telegram bot will be dropped on the description box below. Now let's get started. When you click on the link, all you need to do is click on start. Understood and continue. They are very new and they've partnered with Ton already. It's not your regular tap project. It's like daily lucky draws. You participate in daily lucky draws daily. But what you need to do before participating in daily lucky draws is to join their channel, their Telegram channel. Click on it at the bottom. Then click on join. Then go back. Click on daily lucky draw. So you've gotten 9 points. You can earn points randomly, like there's no fixed point you can earn daily. About the Web Flix app guide, you will see what you need to know about the mining, what you need to know about the project, like what they are trying to build is there. You see what you need to know about it. What is the Web Flix, how to mine points, like your point will be converted. Your point will be converted in the next part of the airdrop. So let's go back. About invite friends, you can find your referral links there. Currently, there is no point for inviting friends, as it will only increase your daily lucky draw daily. Like your daily lucky draw might increase. That's all about the Web Flix Telegram mining. I hope this video has been very helpful, guys. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, or the team member will be able to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more content like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in our next video.